an extension officer, I have the responsibility to make you know the general concept about grafting. When we're talking about grafting, is all about the horticultural technique which are used to join the plant tissue so as to make the continuation of the growth together. So if you want to practice the grafting, you have to make some part of the plant to be useful for you. For instance, we have two parts in this technique. We have scion and rootstock. When we're talking about scion, is the upper part of the combined plant, but also rootstock is the lower part of the combined plant. But specifically, you have to know the successful of the joining. How does it take place? The joining of the tissues, it depends on the presence of vascular tissues in a particular plant. For instance, xylem, phloem, and the vascular cambia. If you join the tissues of a plant through the process known as inosculation, if you want to choose a good scion and a rootstock, you have to observe some conditions in your plant. First of all, you have to choose the plant which is tolerant to diseases. You have to choose the plant which is tolerant to environmental stress like drought. But also, we have different kinds of grafting. We have crafty grafting, we have whipple grafting, and we have bleach grafting.
Material which are commonly used during the grafting are like sharpener. We have a sharpener, vinyl grafting tape, scion, and the root stock. Also, we are going to see on how you can practice the grafting based on the types mentioned. But today we are going to see on how we can practice the crafty or top grafting. So this type is most commonly used in fruit trees such as mangoes. Also, we are going to see on how we can practice grafting based on the types mentioned here. But today we are going to see on how we can practice crafty or top grafting. In this type of grafting is most commonly is used in a fruity tree like mango tree. So the steps to follow during the crafty or top grafting: first you have to take the root stock and cut vertically 1 up to 2 inches. Second, take the scion and cut at the bottom on either of its side at 45-degree angles. Then take your scion and insert at the root stock. After that, take a vinyl grafting tape and tie it.
Now, for better improvement of crop production, this method of grafting is actually very important, and it have variety of advantages, and one among of them is that it enhances crop productivity. This is due to the fact that grafting involves the use of better improved stock and the scion. That in combination is that into better crop produced yield, which result into better produce after harvest. And another advantage is that it enhances in control of pests and diseases. This is due to the fact that the scion and stock used in grafting method is of high resistance to such pests and disease. For example, the stock, some of them are much resistant to diseases such as nematode, and actually others are resistant to pests such as grasshopper and locust. So in that, it enhances a farmer to produce with high efficiency and actually incur high yield production during crop cultivation. And another advantage is that it enhances a farmer to use actually moderate cost in production. For example, through grafting and budding method, a farmer can get produce easily using very low cost. For example, some of produce, for example here at our center, some of produce through grafting method are being grafted using some variety of stock and scion which are produced actually at a very low cost, and results into anchor higher profit after harvest.
I will explain to you the importance of grafting. First, it minimizes the maturity time, since it involves the use of scion from the mature plant like this one. That scion is joined to the young root stock.